Hi everyone, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I will share with you on how to add workplace on Facebook. So this is the home page of my Facebook account. What you have to do here is to click on the three lines found at the bottom at the top left corner, close to the messenger chat icon. Just click on the three dot there. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the profile icon, click on the three dots, click on edit option, scroll gently, click on work at self-employed. You're going to see an option called add work. Click on it. So right here, you just have to type in the type of work, or you can search for the work, and after searching for it, next thing you have to do is to click on this save option in order to save it. So guys, that is it on how to add workplace on Facebook. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.